Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is cross-platform development. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is cross-platform development? Cross-platform mobile development, by definition and solutions, multi-platform mobile development is an approach that allows you to build a single mobile application that runs smoothly on several operating systems, which includes Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating system, for example. In cross-platform apps, some or even all of the source code can be shared. So, when we're talking about cross-platform development, we can have one code base, let's say for example written in C++, it can run our code when we compile the application, it can run on different platform. Like for Windows, in computers, Mac OS and Linux. On mobile, it can run in iOS and Android operating system without any problem at all. There is a complete compatibility, no? So that's it guys, now when we're talking about cross-platform development. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.